So, alright, if you have purchased the PLR package, you would have received another email that has a link to take you to the enrollment page. So, if you click on the system.io package, you are going to taken to this page which basically give you all the different courses assets, including how to use this PLR package. All 8 of the courses, of course, and then the last one is reselling the system.io PLR package. Now all of this is pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to take you through it really quickly, just step by step, just to make sure that you are set up in a quickest, most efficient way possible. Alright, so basically on the left sides you are going to see the 8 different courses. Now if you click on one of them, you are going to see the introduction as well as what the image looks like for the particular courses. And then there are 5 blocks, each of them giving you a step by step of what needs to be done. The first step would be to click here to download the course. Now when you download the course, this is automatically going to be added into your system.io account, as you can see over here. So by clicking on it, you can see all the modules have been included. All you would need to do is simply hit this button with 3 dots on the right and activate. And you would do this for each of the modules. Once done, you can actually go to the product, and then under courses, you can see that it has been added to your courses. Now this is a duplicate because I already had mine installed, so I'm going to just remove that so that it doesn't have any duplicates. So the next step is for us to go back and download the funnel templates. So again we are just going to click on the button and it's automatically going to be added to your funnel list. Now on the left hand side you will be seeing the squeeze page, the thank you page and order form, and another thank you page. Each of these pages will be edited in the exact same way that have been seen in all my videos that have been watching by clicking on the edit page or viewing the funnel step. The one thing to please note that the URL path automatically default to the system.io URL. If you are using a custom domain, the quickest way to get this changed is to just go into your funnel settings on the top and change the domain to your custom domain and hit the save button. You will then see that URL path has been changed, and again just a quick reminder to please change the slug of the URL so that people are actually going to the URL that makes sense. Not something that's made up of numbers and letters, kind of difficult to remember, right? So you might change this to new way of launch online business. You know that it doesn't even have to be that long. It could be just launch online business. The one thing I do want to just make mention of is that you can only use the little dashes in between words, or you don't have to use dashes at all. All of this text has to be in lowercase. So just keep that in mind when you are setting that up. You will notice this green check mark on the right hand side, and that is basically just there is to verify and let you know that the slug that you have added after the custom domain name is in fact all right and is acceptable to use. The one really important page that always does need to be set up, which is not set up as a standard, is that go to the payment page. You will need to set up the resources and payment plan accordingly. So for the resources, there is a new system to launch an online business, and as we have already done, we have uploaded that into the courses section. So we will hit courses and we will choose the course. And then we will give the access type as full access. And then we will hit the save button, and then again with price plan. If this is something that you have not yet set up, you are going to have to create a new one. In my case, I have already set it up. So I am going to hit the one-time payment and I am going to select the existing price plan. the existing price plan, and there we go. They hit the save button. So again, if you are into funnel, you will be able to see the funnel has been activated. So when you add your funnel, you will notice that automatically activates for you. So this is great. You are already to go as soon as you have made these changes on the internal pages. For me, however, you can see this is duplicate because I have already set mine up. So I'm simply going to go ahead and deactivate this. For me, whoever reason you want to see a list of all your funnels, both the activate and inactive funnels, you simply click on this X over here and you hit the filter button and you will see all of them. Now you can go ahead and check all the different funnels that are available or inactive, and you can make your changes from there. The next step then to go ahead and download the email swipe, so that you can just go ahead and download that and you will get the PDF on your machine. In another video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually add these email swipes into the different campaign. So go ahead and watch that next and you will be able to get all those step-by-step instructions. It is super easy. If you are going to step 4 and simply takes you to the create newsletter and then keep step 5, you are literally getting all the raw videos files downloaded onto your machine, all the PDFs that are within the courses, etc. What you will notice is that some of the courses are additional strategy files and checklist and that are sort of things. So those are items that are included within the section here. So go ahead and create that for all of the 8 courses, and then once you are done, you can click on the last one, which is resell the systeme.io PLR package. And what you will notice is that number 1, there is a link to create the membership site. So when you click on download the membership site, it downloads the exact structure that you are seeing in the screen right now with the course assets on the left, etc. So don't freak it out. Just don't see something that say membership sites or anything else, that this is membership site, and then of course go ahead and click on download the sales funnel of the PLR as well. Checking this here, download the sales funnel is going to open up your funnel and going to simply install the page and link page. If you go into the payment page and view the, you will see it just a really simple, easy to use, easy to understand page that just includes all the different courses that the person will get it, as well as obviously just the payment that has been set up for $97 or whatever it is that you are going to share it up. So remember, when you activate on this page to set up your digital product, or you will just simply select the course as a systeme.io PLR package, give them full access and create the price plan. If you did not want to create another order bump on the top of it, you can totally do that as well. But you can see I have not set up one yet, so I am not sure if I will do. But if I do this, where I'm going to set up, and then of course this thank you page is just thank you for your order. Click here, go to the membership site, which takes them through to this web. They will need to register first and then they will be taken to this page. So I hope that I help you out. I hope you now understand step by step exactly what I require to set up your system, and what you will find is that can be set up in less than a day. That means you are able to start generating sales all. So let's get all the courses and funnel set up, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how to actually create the email campaign which will run on autopilot so that you don't have to touch ever again. So let's jump into the next video. I'll see you all there.